This plant is an alluvial gold and columbite ore processing plant. The capacity for this plant can be customized as per request, such as 30 TPH, 40 TPH, 100 TPH, etc. For example, the plant processing capacity is 100 TPH, the raw material is alluvial type, the feeding material size is less than 120 mm, and there's a lot of sticky clay in the mine. The plant will begin from the vibration feeder with a 70 mm grizzly bar. Then the less than 70 mm materials will go to the trommel scrubber to wash. Since there's a lot of sticky in the raw ore, here we suggest using a trommel scrubber to wash away the sticky clay. The scrubber is with one layer screen. The screen size is 30 mm, and the material of the screen can be manganese or PU material. The more than 30 mm materials will be sent away by a belt conveyor. The less than 30 mm materials will go to a high-frequency vibration screen with a 2 mm screen. The 2 to 30 mm materials will be sent to the hammer crusher by belt conveyor to crush to be smaller, like less than 2 mm. Then use a slurry pump to send the slurry back to the high-frequency vibration screen to screen again. The less than 2 mm materials will go to several sets of jig separators to do the first-time separation. The concentrate will be separated and gathered under the screen in the jig. The screen size in the jig can be 2 mm. The concentrate from the jig under the screen will be sent to the next separation part. In this plant, we use a shaking table. If you want, we can also use spiral chutes to do the separation. After separating them by the shaking table, you can gather them and send them to the drying ground. The materials above the jig screen are tailings and some gold nuggets. They'll go to the sluice box. The carpet will catch the gold nuggets and some fine-size columbite. Then the tailings from the sluice box will go to a spiral sand washer for dewatering so that you can process the tailings easier. Finally, if there are too many magnetic ores, like the magnetite, hematite, etc., inside your concentrate ores after you drying your concentrate ores, you can send them to the 3 pcs disc dry magnetic separator to remove the magnetic materials and get the final concentrate columbite ores. Here's only the alluvial type processing plant for reference. If your situation is different, we'll customize the suitable processing plant flowchart for you according to your detailed different ore situation.